Hello everybody, this is Isaiah. I have another horn walk around I wanted to show you guys real quick. I won't make this too long, but so this is a kind of a newer horn to me. This is K5la, and this is pretty much original as it came off the Locomotive. I don't know which locomotive it came off or which railroad it came off of. So I will tell you that there was no reversal on any of the bells on this horn. It was all bells forward. So what we got is narrow font back caps. And the interesting thing on this one is actually has the star washers on all the back cap bolts, which I haven't really seen this before, so I thought it was kind of interesting. It has a tagless manifold, so no tag. The very interesting thing about this horn is it has cork gaskets. I know for a fact, obviously, this horn has been machined for O-rings, but for some reason the railroad decided to use cork gaskets on this, as you can see. So that's kind of interesting. Black paint, obviously bells, let's see, 1, 2, there's 3A, and then 4A, and obviously a small bore 5. So this horn also does not have the raised circles. Let me see if I can show you what they look like. So I would say they're flat, but they all have like a little ring coming out. This one bell, you can really see it. So I put air to it last night and it sounds just absolutely phenomenal. Let me flip it over so you guys can see the bottom of it. It was covered in soot. Obviously I took all that off so that I can actually have this in my little studio out here in my garage. Didn't want to get diesel soot everywhere. I requested the seller of this horn to ship it as a whole. I didn't want him taking any of the bells off. So it sounds great. It's not coming apart. And it also came with debris filters as well. So what year do you guys think it is? Gotta be 80s or something, late 80s maybe. But all I know is it sounds sounds really good. Really good. It's a beautiful horn. So coming up soon, I'll do a video for you guys so you can hear it. My setup on my truck isn't the greatest right now. A lot of the recent videos I've been doing are inside my canopy with the back canopy open, and you just really don't get the full effect of how they sound. You get this weird echo. I don't know. I don't like it. So as soon as I get that figured out, I'll do a good video for you guys. And you can see the back caps on the 5 and the 4A. Looks like the railroad decided to install them like that. I'll leave them the way they are. I won't touch this horn. So to be honest, I'm sick and tired of stripping paint, dealing with stuck bolts. You know, if it works, I just leave it alone. So, and you know, it preserves the history on it, which is cool. So anyways, if you guys have any ideas where it might be from, all bells forward 80s K5la.